Are you looking for the best peanut massage rollers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best massage rollers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Standard Peanut Massage Ball. The 5 billion Peanut Massage Ball is a standard peanut massage ball measuring 5 inches in length and 2.5 inches in diameter. It is made from 100% natural rubber and has a smooth surface. Most peanut balls on the market will be very similar to this model except with different branding, but generally, they are all the same. Using the 5 billion Peanut Massage Ball is easy. Simply lay on the ball or place it against a wall, and start rolling to relieve muscular tension in your back, neck, shoulders, and other areas of the body. This inexpensive massage ball comes with its own carry case, allowing you to benefit from a deep tissue massage at the office, at the gym, on the road, and wherever else you go. Some customers have reported that the ball is too firm, though, so consider your tolerance for pain before purchasing one. At number 2. TriggerPoint MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller. The TriggerPoint MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller is specially designed to target the stabilizing muscles of the back and neck without applying excess pressure on the spine and vertebrae. What makes the TriggerPoint MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller truly unique, though, is that its length can be adjusted for use on different parts of the body. Weighing just 0.24 pounds, the TriggerPoint MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller makes it the perfect travel companion for anyone who wants to benefit from myofascial release on the go. The MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller is constructed from layered EVA foam, which provides optimal compression to ensure a safe and effective self-massage. One downside to EVA foam, however, is that it tends to deteriorate faster than solid rubber. Another minor complaint from customers is that the TriggerPoint MB2 Double Massage Ball Roller is too small to effectively target larger areas of the body, such as the back. Overall, though, this ball is ideal for those who want to target hard-to-reach areas of the body, such as the calves, glutes, pectorals, and shoulders. At number 3. Rolling with It Vibrating Peanut Massage Ball. The Peanut Massage Ball, by rolling with it, is similar to the Infinity Ball in design, but it has a few other handy features that the Infinity Ball doesn't, such as an auto shut-off feature. It is also waterproof and has a longer battery life than the Infinity Ball, 2.5 versus 2 hours. Housed within the Rolling With It Professional Vibrating Peanut Massager is a professional-grade 4-speed motor that mimics the deep pressure of a massage therapist's fingers. This compact device can be used on both small and large areas of the body. We love the portability of this unit. The ball is even TSA approved, so it can be tossed into a carry-on bag for those long-haul flights. This ball is one of the more expensive ones on our list, which may be a drawback for those on a tight budget. Others may find the outer shell of the ball too hard. The Rolling With It Professional Vibrating Peanut Massager is backed by a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, though, so you can test it out for a while and see if it works for you. At number 4. RAD Roller Massage Ball. The RAD roller is designed to relieve muscle tension, increase range of motion, and achieve myofascial release in the neck, upper back, and feet. It can also be used with the RAD block, sold separately, to massage the calves, glutes, hamstrings, pectorals, and triceps. The ball is made of high-quality silicone that grips the skin and provides greater control so you can apply targeted pressure to the affected areas. The RAD roller comes in 3 densities: soft, medium, and stiff. Measuring just 4.9 inches long and weighing a little over half of a pound, the RAD roller is perfect for travel. Although the RAD roller is said to be effective on all muscle groups, a few customers have reported that it is not ideal for use on the lower back. Otherwise, the RAD roller is an excellent tool for performing self-myofascial release on difficult-to-treat muscles such as those in the shoulders, neck, and the base of the skull. At number 5. Soft and Amp Hard Double Lacrosse Ball. The Soft and Hard Double Lacrosse Ball set is a pack of 2 peanut massage balls that offer 2 levels of firmness. The red ball is medium firm and is ideal for use on delicate areas of the body, such as the neck, while the black ball is firm enough to unlock tight muscles in the back, legs, hamstrings, and glutes. The Soft and Hard Double Lacrosse Ball set is made from a durable thermoplastic rubber that has no smell and doesn't deteriorate as quickly as other materials. Despite the name, though, these massage balls are not as solid as lacrosse balls. Depending on the area of the body you're treating, you may find that these balls don't provide enough pressure to achieve myofascial release. At number 6. For KOR Fitness Massage Balls. For KOR Fitness massage balls provide you with everything you need to perform myofascial release on virtually every part of the body. The set includes a smooth textured peanut massage ball, a spiked massage ball, and a massage ball with a grooved surface that helps you target and release trigger points deep within the fascia. The peanut massage ball is designed to wrap around the spine in order to apply pressure to the stabilizing muscles without placing undue pressure on the vertebrae. What we would have liked to see with the 4KOR Fitness massage balls is a wider range of densities. They are very firm and may cause pain when used on sensitive areas of the body. Despite this minor complaint, this ball set is a great choice for anyone who wants to invest in a complete set of massage balls without spending a lot of money.